everybody, welcome to our channel. In today's video we would like to share with you an amazing recipe of chicken stir fry. Chicken stir fry is going to be with special sauce. Watch our video till the end to get all the tips. If you like our videos, don't forget to click the like button. You can also subscribe to our channel, or if you're already a subscriber, give us some love in the comments. So let's get it started. So for this beautiful recipe we are going to need these ingredients. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the chicken. I have here chicken breast, approximately 400 grams. Then we are gonna need 2 pieces of carrots, 2 pieces of onion, green onion, 2 pieces of red bell pepper, approximately 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey, and we are coming to our most beloved spices. So for the spices, we've got here rosemary, dried rosemary, little bit of salt, little bit of black pepper, and most importantly, sesame seeds. So let's do it. First of all, we are gonna prepare our sauce for the stir fry. For that, we are going to need 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. So we get a bowl and use, this is 1 and this is 2. We are going to need honey. So this is 1 coming. This is 2. Sure you get really clean the honey, so you will use all of it. Sure to mix them well until they become one sauce. The texture we are gonna get, you see everybody? Then it's time for the spices and for sesame seeds. It's totally fine, you can mix them all together. To the sauce. Then mix them all together. The sauce rests, so all the taste and all the aroma will be inside the sauce. Last ingredients in this recipe is side dish. We have our sweet and spicy small peppers, and they go very well with any dish that you have at home. We grow in our balcony, so let's get it. These are the sweet pepper that we have. These are my favorites, and my husband prefers the spicy ones. These are for me. Let's go for the spicy. And these are the spicy ones. It's really burning hot. I tried once and I'm not gonna try ever again. But my husband, for some reason, loves them. By the way, guys, I would like to introduce you to our new family member. This is Yuki. Yuki, kızım gel. She loves walking around and we are gonna get started with cooking, so let's open the fire. It should be on high level. Here is our olive oil, 2 tablespoons. So this is 1, this is 2. First we are gonna add our chopped chicken. Don't wait long, start mixing them right away. When chicken turns white color, this is the time when you are gonna add your prepared sauce. It already smells good. So we are gonna pour it, mix them, so the chicken will absorb all the sauce, all the goodies that it has. Also, when you see that the sauce boils, it's time for the carrot and for the pepper to go in. In order not to take away the taste, we are gonna lower the fire, and on low fire we are gonna cook our carrots and chicken. Approximately after 15 minutes of cooking, your chicken will become as soft as marshmallow basically. Try this out. This is my husband's favorite recipe. So time we close the fire, and this is how it looks. You see the sauce we still have, it's still juicy and it is very soft. Time for the green onion. We love onion, so we like to use it a lot. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. Love it. So delicious. Our new family member, Yuki, from Japanese, it means snow. For us, she's a blessing. And this is her first shooting, so she's a little bit nervous, my baby. Thank you for watching us, guys. Wishing you all to have a nice and cozy evening. Enjoy our recipes. Let us know if you have any feedback. Please like our videos and write us comments. Goodbye, guys.